Hi friends, let me show you this AstroAI windshield cleaning tool that I bought to bring with me for my car. You get this carrying bag, you get the user manual, this bottle to bring water if you want to be able to clean your car on the go, or maybe cleaning liquid, and 3 extra towels for the actual tool. Okay, the head of this tool is movable, so like 360 degrees, so you can clean without having problems, and you can extend it a little bit like this. Okay, I bought it. You could use it to clean the windshield in the outside, of course, but I basically bought it to bring it with me inside, because sometimes I get this glare inside of my windshield and I have to clean that glare with a towel or a Kleenex, and sometimes I don't have the tools handy with me. So with this one, it's so easy. Let me show you. As I am telling you, what I want to use it for is sometimes the windshield inside gets some kind of greasy. For example, when you wash your car and you put Armor All on this, some of the grease evaporates to the windshield, or just the regular grease it gets from the people inside. And I am going to use it like this to clean the windshield in the inside. I could even do this park in a parking lot, when I go to the grocery store or whatever, or when I am in the gas station, and I can clean my windshield really easy, reach to the end of it in the front that I can't reach with my hand, and have my windshield. That way I can have my windshield clean not only outside but inside. And when you are when you need it, you get the towel, put it in the washer, get a new one, and you can be rotating them, so you have always a clean towel with you in your tool in your car. So, well, for me it's a great option. Perfect.